Hello again. Here we'll go with the first part for the potentiometer assembly. It's probably the easiest part to do. It's the base insulator and it won't take long. So here we are, we're going to design the base insulator. We'll press V to get the vertical sketch plane, and I always think it's a very good idea to draw out the part you want to model. I do them in auto sketch. You can just do a hand drawn one. As long as you have all the dimensions you need, it doesn't matter what you do on the back of a fag packet or in a sophisticated 2D drawing package. As long as you've got the information, you're gonna be okay. So there it is. We've got a circle of 8.12 millimeters, so we'll start with that. Then we're going to add a rectangle and 3 holes. So I'm going to put my drawing over here so I can see it, and start with a circle over here, find the center and drag, and we see it's a radius of 8.12 and it's asking for a diameter, so there we are, 16.24. Return. Then of course we have a rectangle to add on, this rectangle here, which stretches from the center of the circle to 12 millimeters, so it is of course 16.24 by 12. So we'll make one of those. We can put it anywhere. Click, drag, horizontal dimension is highlighted for us, so we'll make that 12, tab, and 16.24. And there's our rectangle. Now we want to place that into the circle with the center line of this edge on the middle of the circle. So we're going to select the move tool up here, capture the whole rectangle, drag the anchor point hub to the center, and automatically finds the center for us. Then we select up to tool and locate the center of the circle and click. There you go. Trim away tool over here, and we trim away the bits we don't want, that bit and that bit, and that's the basic shape of the part. Now we select the pull tool and it puts us in 3D mode, and we see that the thickness on the sketch we've got is 1.31 millimeters, so we start to drag, keeping the mouse button, the left mouse button depressed. I type 1.31, return. And now we've got the 3D model. Now we want 3 holes. 3 holes at 1 millimeter diameter, 3.7 from the edge. And the first hole is 3.04 from that edge and 3.7 in. So we can do that by selecting the select tool, select that face, press V, select the circle. We are put in sketch mode, bring it a little bit closer. So we've got the circle highlighted, we find that corner point, shift, we've got a temporary reference point. Now we're going in the negative direction, both X and Y directions, so we want a minus 3.7, 3.7 tab, and minus 3.04, minus 3.04 tab, return. Click and hold and drag, and we want a whole 1 millimeter diameter. It's asking for a diameter, so 1, return. That's our first hole. Now we can make, if we select the move tool, we can select that and drag this, and whilst holding the control key down we make another one. Now we can make that 5.08, 5.08, return, and again we're still in the move, we can select that, we hold the control key and drag whilst holding the left mouse button down, 5.08, return, and there we have our 3 holes. We can pull them through now. We select 1, 2, 3. I'm selecting the 3 with the control mouse button, and then we just left click, hold and pull, and we've got 3 holes. So that's the part actually made. Now we can colour it. We're going to display, select the whole thing and select the colour we want, brown, and that's our part fully designed. There we are, that's the insulator. Okay, that's one of the parts, 3 more to go.